everyone, Stefanie Tropea here, 8th semester student from the University of Bridgeport School of Chiropractic. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Turkish get-up. You may have seen this exercise before. It could look a little intimidating, but if you break it down into 6 simple steps, it's a lot easier to teach and a lot easier to perform. So today I have Ben here. He's going to be my patient and we're going to take you through the Turkish get-up. All right, Ben, ready? So first things first, we need to get the bell safely into a starting position. So Ben, you're gonna roll towards the bell, bring it really close to you. Good, and then roll back onto your back with the bell. Good, press the bell up. Good, and whatever arm is holding the bell, that same side knee is gonna be bent. Good, so this is how we begin on the left side. All right, as Ben is doing the Turkish get-up, notice how the bell does not move from this spot. We want to make a straight line to the ceiling with the bell, okay? All right, so step 1, get up on your elbow. Good. Step 2, get up on your hand. Step 3, bridge. Step 4, bring that leg underneath, putting the knee on the floor. Good. Step 5, get off your hand. Good. In this position, you can adjust yourself. Good. Get comfortable for the last step. Step 6, you're just going to stand right up out of that lunge. Good. And now we're going to reverse the whole thing. So you're going to lunge straight back. Bring that foot back in. Good. Slide the hand down the thigh, putting the knee, hand back on the floor. Bring that leg back through. Good. Drop back down to the elbow. Good, and back to your back. Good. Now safely put it back down the same way we got it. Good. So I really like to use this exercise as an assessment as well as a rehab exercise for shoulder stability, core strength, and hip mobility. So there's really a lot of bang for your buck with this exercise. So Ben here is using a 35-pound kettlebell, but we recommend that you use, start with a light weight. You can use a dumbbell, you can use a lighter kettlebell, you could even use your shoe. So give it a shot, let us know how you do, and thanks for watching.